Here, my journey begins. Here all of us are guided by Star Clan, our ancestors. I want to live my own life. But there's one thing you should know about me, a prophecy. Is this the reason I'm alive? The reason I'm breathing, I'll survive. My cause unsheathing, it'll be my drive. Knowing what everyone expects of me, I'll make my clan proud. Fighting until I know they're safe and sound. Star Clan has told me what I'm destined for, and that my name cannot be ignored. Though it's the reason I'm alive, the reason I'm breathing, don't deprive my eyes of seeing what else I can be. Is it my only